Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So sometimes when you're about to install an application on a Windows 11 PC, immediately you double click the application, you will see this error message that Smart App Control has blocked this app. So in this video, I will take you through how you can prevent that error message from popping up in the future. So the first thing you want to do is to click the start button. Click on the settings icon to open the settings window. Click privacy and security. Select Windows security. From there, click the app and browser control. Click or select the smart app control settings. That will open the smart app control settings for you, and all you need to do is to select the radio button beside the off option there to disable the smart app control. And so in the future, after doing this, in the future you will not see that error message anytime you want to install the applications on your Windows 11 PC. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share this video for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.